Ready? Start. As policymakers gather for the Breathe Pakistan conference this week, the urgency is hard to miss. Each year, such forums bring new ideas, yet the country's climate risks keep growing. The question is no longer what we know, but what we are willing to do. The latest Jinnah Institute report on climate resilience offers a clear answer. Pakistan remains stuck in a cycle of reacting to disasters instead of preparing for them. The 2025 floods displaced millions and destroyed livelihoods, exposing not only natural vulnerability but also structural failure, weak early warning systems, fragmented governance, and the steady loss of natural buffers. This year's outlook gives little comfort. Heat waves have arrived early, and changing weather patterns raise the risk of both drought and heavy rains. Water stress is worsening. Rivers are polluted, groundwater is falling, and many cities struggle to provide safe drinking water. These pressures are building at the same time, placing added strain on already stretched systems. The consequences are felt across the economy. Farming, which many people in rural areas rely on, is becoming more uncertain as floods, water shortages, and rising heat threaten crops and food supplies. When crops fail and supply chains are disrupted, prices rise and the economy comes under strain, hitting the poorest households the hardest. For vulnerable communities, resilience means slowly improving daily life every step away from things that bring us down, as the report puts it. But progress is uneven. Some districts are far better prepared than others. What helps is education, asset ownership, especially for women, access to technology, and reliable social support. Yet, progress is undermined by poor governance, weak local systems, and the lack of a coordinated plan. This is where the upcoming budget becomes critical. If climate risks remain an afterthought, the country will keep paying for damage instead of preventing it. The focus must shift to practical steps, better early warning systems, sticker land use rules, protection of wetlands and forests, and smarter water management.